How to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll be telling you how you can fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. So for that you'll have to open your settings app and first of all make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you're using mobile data, then I suggest you to switch to the fastest one like 5G and then click on general over here, scroll all the way down till you find VPN and device management. Here you can see that I'm connected to a VPN. If you're using WhatsApp and Meta AI problem shows up and you're using VPN, I suggest you to come back and click on VPN and then click on this so that VPN gets disconnected, and after that go to the WhatsApp and see if the Meta AI problem is fixed. If not, then I have another solution for you. You can come to the general and click on iPhone storage over here, then click on WhatsApp and here click on offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app but will keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So offloading app would not make you lose your data or anything. It will just refresh your app. So try doing this and I hope that your Meta AI's problem would be fixed. And another way is that come to your App Store and search for WhatsApp over here. And make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp to the latest version. And if it's not updated to the latest version, just click on update and it will be updated. After that, your Meta AI's problem would be solved. If still not, then it might be a server issue of Meta AI or WhatsApp. So try after some time and your Meta AI problem would be fixed once the server gets fixed. So that is basically how you can fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.